Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use BCAA during workout. BCAA, or branched-chain amino acids, are crucial for muscle health. They consist of leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which your body cannot produce on its own. Taking BCAA during your workout can help fuel your muscles, potentially reducing the feeling of fatigue and supporting recovery. This can be especially beneficial for longer training sessions or when you're pushing your limits. The best way to use BCAA is to sip them throughout your training session. This steady intake helps keep your amino acid levels elevated, providing continuous support to your working muscles. By doing so, you can potentially minimize muscle damage and delay the onset of fatigue. Many athletes find this approach helps them maintain energy and focus, leading to more productive workouts and quicker recovery afterward. For most individuals, a dosage of 5 to 10 grams of BCAA during a workout is effective. It's best to mix your BCAA powder with 16 to 24 ounces of water. This ensures proper hydration and helps with the dissolution of the powder. Stir or shake well until there are no clumps. A well-mixed drink is not only more palatable, but also ensures you're getting the full benefit of the supplement throughout your exercise. While BCAA are helpful, remember they are a supplement, not a replacement for a balanced diet. They are particularly useful for extended or high-intensity workouts where muscle breakdown is more likely. Always ensure your overall protein intake is sufficient to support muscle repair and growth. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. It's a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books wherever you go.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.